Hi, Kelly, come on in.
Thanks. I'm really grateful that you were able to see me. I realize that my matter is really small compared to all of the commercial law that you normally do.
Well, there's no such thing as an unimportant matter. Every legal dispute is important to those involved. Anyway, how can I help?
Well, recently I decided that I was spending too much time at home and alone like a hermit, and that I needed to put myself out there more.
Sounds like a brave decision. I know you're usually as much of an introvert as I am.
Yeah, but it's an extrovert's world. So I figured I needed to do something. I signed up at a billiards club.
I've heard those places can be pretty dodgy and rough.
Well, not really this place. It's more corporate. The type of place where stockbrokers go to pretend they are slumming it while ordering $20 cocktails.
Ah, yes. I know that sort of place.
Anyway, they have a monthly membership. $80, with a 2-year lock-in contract. They gave me the contract to sign and read, but I really didn't read it over very carefully. And it turns out that the $80 is the membership fee. Then there is a $10 per evening game fee, and a $5 per month table maintenance fee, and a $5 parking fee every time you play. There is a 2-drink minimum, and all the drinks are expensive. Also, you need to supply your own pool cue. Overall, this is way more than I intended to spend, and way more than I can afford.
I can definitely see that. Did you approach them?
Of course. And they said that the only fee which was mandatory was the $80 per month membership. The other fees are only relevant if I actually come in and play. So, they said, I can avoid those fees simply by not playing any pool.
But that means wasting your $80 every month.
I know. I said that to them too, and they pretended to be all caring, but the bottom line was that all these fees and charges were in the contract, and I signed it all. I checked, and they right. I can't even pretend they were fooling me into signing it. Surely there is some way around it though?
Well, I will think about it. Do you know I was once in a snooker club?
You were?
Yeah, but I gave up. I had to hang around waiting for a long time to play.
Why?
There was a long queue. Get it? A long queue?
I hope you are a good lawyer, because you are a terrible comedian.